Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headache stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need, what you need. We're broken, it's tragic, we're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic. Believe you could have it, and I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all that is blackness.
Halo teman-teman, kembali lagi nih di channel Dem Adventure. Di video kali ini, saya akan mengunboxing mainan mobil RC keluaran dari Xiaomi yang juga punya lisensi dari pabrikan Suzuki Jimny. Harganya di bawah 500.000. Sebelum melanjutkan video, saya minta support dari kalian dong dengan cara like, share, dan subscribe channel ini, oke? Mari kita buka teman-teman. Ini dia penampilan mobilnya. Ukuran mobilnya berskala 1:16 dengan warna dasar hijau kekuning-kuningan. Keren kan teman-teman? Mobil ini mempunyai mesin yang sudah 4 WD serta roda yang dilapisi ban off-road yang mempermudah kita saat akan bermanuver di jalan bebatuan atau tanah yang tidak rata. Cara mengendalikan mobil ini menggunakan frekuensi Bluetooth yang ada di mobil dan disinkronkan ke Bluetooth yang ada di handphone kalian. Tapi sebelum menyinkronkan ke handphone, kalian terlebih dahulu harus mendownload aplikasi Micar di Play Store. Jadi, remote-nya langsung dari handphone. Bisa terlihat juga kondisi baterai mobil di aplikasi ini. Untuk melakukan pengecasan baterai, sudah disediakan charger yang bisa dicolokkan ke knalpot kendaraan tersebut. Canggih kan teman-teman? Mari kita tes di jalan off-road.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need. What you need. We're broken, it's tragic. We're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic. Believe you could have it. And I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all that is blackness.
Terima kasih sudah menonton video ini. Jangan lupa like, share, dan subscribe biar saya makin semangat membuat video ke depan. Oke?